YouTubers and modelers alike. We've got Elvira here on the bench, and we put her arms on with green stuff. That's the only thing I had to use. You can't really use instant crazy glue because it won't hold on there. You need a little putty, like an epoxy. You could use a two-part epoxy and put the arms on, and it comes with this little dagger here, which is going to go somewhere in there like that, and it's going to fall. Got a lot of painting to do, and probably one on her waist somewhere, so something like that. So we got a lot of blue taping to do, not too much, and some base spraying, spray the base up, base coat. That's where we are right now on this project. We'll keep you posted. So we just sprayed some flush tone with a touch of pearl blue. This right here. Just a very small, tiny drop to give it a hue of more of skin tone that Elvira is. And don't worry about the overspray. The overspray will be taken care of. We're going to mask off things next with blue tape. So I want to show you the blue taping that we did with dark blue tape. Really sculpting the tape in around the face after your paint dries for the flush tones, and covering the hands, both hands, because you're going to be spraying the next color, which is a black for the hair and the dress. And the legs that has to be taped off as well, because you want that to be a clear white, like a knit stocking type. You use these little pieces of blue tape. I'm showing you those. That's how you get in there, and you place them in with the X-acto knife at times and cut around. So this is how you do the Elvira. So now the legs are done and all filled in from front to back. Okay, because you want to leave that, because you're just going to give it a mist when you do the legs with the black. Most of this is, we're filling in the black now, the dress and the hair and everything else. So that's what it looks like. The tape is very versatile. You can almost use it like a clay with your X-acto knife. Don't be afraid to cut around it a little bit, the edge. It does fold easily. You tear little pieces, and that's how you get it covered so you can spray. You could also hand brush too, I suppose, and there will be some hand brushing to detail this model. I really wanted to show this first coat here of the black. This is not just black. This is a dot. Whoop! There goes the excuse me, the compressor. Anyway, this is a combination of black opaque and a pearl blue color. Just a dot of the pearl to put the pearl essence in the model itself, and then we spray it, and then we dry it with the dryer, a little hand dryer. That's a mini one, about $5 on eBay. I think I said that before, but it's good to dry in between coats. So this is the very first coat. So let's take some of this tape off here. I'm going to have to do it off camera because it's quite sticky and tacky. So I'll show you. So are you ready for the conclusion? Let's see how she came out. And here's Elvira, all done. I put the daggers on her and a lot of detailed painting. And I just have to gloss coat it. I'm going to put a sealer on it afterwards. So I hope you like it. And it was very fun to make this model kit. You can find it on eBay. Jimmy Flintstone is the brand, I guess it's called. And I hope you enjoyed the whole tutorial on how to paint. And please ring the notification bell. There'll be more models to make and painting to be done and fixes and everything else. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.